Hi folks, and welcome to Dutchy Cooking. For Cast Iron Wednesday's takeaway challenge, I'm going to be making this beautiful chicken kebab. If it's cast iron cooking, live fire cooking, or you're just here for the recipes, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. So we're going to start by making the marinade for the chicken. We've got 1 cup of natural yogurt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne powder, 2 teaspoons of ground coriander, and 3 chopped garlic cloves. As ever, you'll find all the ingredients listed below in the description. Now all we need to do is take the Dutchy stick and mix all these ingredients together. So that's our marinade ready. So I've just laid down on the bench a double thickness of sour wrap or cling film. And we've got 8 boneless and skinless chicken thighs. Now this is going to get messy. So we're just going to marinate the chicken thighs. Make sure that all of them are covered. Get your hands in, give them a good mix. And this is the reason we've put down the sour wrap first. I've got 1 clean hand and 1 dirty hand, and we're just going to layer these chicken thighs up now onto the sour wrap. So I'm going to go 3 deep at the bottom, making sure we're overlapping. Go for a second layer, 3rd layer. We don't want to waste any of this marinade. Glove off. Now we're going to roll this up. Want to roll this up quite tight. And when we've got this, we're going to pop it in the freezer to freeze, a minimum of 6 hours. This one's been in for about 3 weeks. So I took it out an hour before we're going to cook this. I'm just going to turn it out. I'm going to take a sharp knife and just cut nice 1/8 or 3 to 4 mil slithers off. And that's the thickness we were looking for. The good thing about doing this is you can cut as much off as you want for 1 person, 2 persons, 3 persons, and pop the rest of it back in the freezer. So I think that's enough for 1 person. For this cook we're going to be using the brick built stove, and also we're going to be using the Hillbilly flat top. So I'm just going to put some oil down, about 1 tablespoon. Spread it around. And when the oil's hot, we're going to lay down our chicken. And separate it out. This chicken's not going to take that long to cook, I reckon 3 to 4 minutes maximum. Now you can take this chicken as far as you want. You can make it nice and crispy, or you can leave it nice, tender and moist. So our chicken's ready. So all I've got is a naan bread with some shredded lettuce, chopped tomato and finely diced white onion. I'm just going to load the chicken onto it. And our kebab's almost ready. So what do we need for a chicken kebab? That's right, some chilli sauce. And next we're going to do some herb and garlic sauce. So that's it, Dutchy's takeaway chicken kebab. If you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell.